pricing strategies, how to generate profit. Hello everyone! Do you know that pricing researchers have noted that the fastest and most effective way for a company to realize its maximum profit is to get a pricing right. The right price can boost profit faster than increasing volume of your sales. In this video I will explain you why pricing is so important for your business and how you can generate more profit for your business and achieve your goals as a business owner or founder. Hi everyone, my name is Dmitry and on this channel I'm sharing and bringing the best tips and tricks for building and running your successful business. Feel free to ask any questions you may have in comments and I will answer them based on my experience. By the way, if you need any specific templates or detailed checklists how to run a business or deal with the everyday tasks, please visit my Patreon page, link above, and subscribe to the email list. I will share with you everything I have to help you run and build your 1 million business. Okay, so we can move forward and talk about pricing. In theory, the economic principle of price is fairly simple, but in practice they are more subtle due to multiple effects of price on profit. The following charts show the profit system in a simple hierarchical form. Scanning downwards at the first level, profit drivers are sales revenue and costs. The sales revenue is in turn price times the sales volume. The cost has obviously some variables and some fixed components. Variable costs change as you can imagine with the sales volume, but fixed costs don't. Pricing's critical nature is readily seen by the dramatic impact its effective management can have on the bottom line of your business. The importance of pricing can be nicely supported by some research that was done a couple of years ago by a consultancy firm in the United States. They logged 2,400 companies and they were wondering what would happen if they can improve 4 different profitability drivers. What would happen with the bottom line of these 2,400 companies on average? They looked at volume, price, fixed costs and variable cost. What we see from this chart is that by reducing our fixed cost by only 1%, we can actually drive the bottom line of these organizations on average by more than 2%. So we already see that all 4 different profit drivers has a significant impact on bottom line. Nevertheless, we see the pricing in the most important driver of the profitability of these organizations. Just raising price by 1% will actually lead to increasing the bottom line by more than 11%. Wow, are you impressed? I'm impressed. Because just if you tune small driver, you can increase the profitability of your business by 10–11%. More specifically, really focus on whether the organization follows more cost focus or whether that organization follows more pricing focus or price management focus. As a dependent variable, we focus on a profitability, here depicted by earnings before interest and tax. What we could find from that research is that there is a clear correlation, a clear relationship between a strategic focus of the organization and the profitability of the organization. In a nutshell, I can summarize the research that companies that focus on a price management are significantly more profitable than companies focusing simply on the management of their cost. So let me explain. If you want to increase your profitability, try to focus on a pricing, not on cost cutting. So it's a bottom line. Let's illustrate my words with a very simple example in order to highlight that price is one of the most important drivers of profitability, and the right pricing can make your company better. Let's imagine we are selling our product at a price of 100 euro or dollars, doesn't matter. As I said before, we have a contribution margin of 20%, which means that the remaining 80% represent the variable cost. So in this particular case, 20 euro would be the contribution margin at a unit level, and 80 euro or dollars would be the variable cost. So we now assume a price reduction of 10%. So you want to give a discount of 10%. We can already see that depicted in the graph. By reducing our price from 100 to 90 euro, we are obviously not charging our variable cost. However, what is changing is our margin. Our margin now dropped by 10%, price decreased from 20 euro per unit to only 10 euro per unit. This, I think, makes it already clear by how much we have to increase our sales volume in order to compensate just 10% price decrease. You're absolutely right. The correct answer is 100%. I hope now you realize how it's important for your business to use right pricing strategy and maximize your profit. And my question of the day is, what are 4 strategies you know to price your product right? Please list in a comment any of your ideas or any of your questions. Thank you for watching my video, push subscribe button and peace out!